If you want to take a macro photo on Xiaomi 15T Pro, then in this case, what you can do is if you go to the menu of the photo mode, then over here we can find the super macro, which you can technically use. It uses a little bit of zoom in order to capture a macro photo, and as you can see, if you keep quite a bit of a distance between the subject and the camera, then you should be able to get a pretty decent focus and you can capture a pretty good photo. However, if you want to actually not use the macro, the super macro mode, then in this case what you can also do is use the zoom. So in this case I'm just using no macro mode. I can only zoom in here, and let's say we're gonna zoom in by, let's say, 5x or so. And as you can see, I don't have to hold the camera too close, and I actually get a better focus like this without the super zoom than with super zoom. So you might be better using this zoom trick instead. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.